definition of the app is really, really important to know before anything else. So this is the perfect response against the situation we are going through right now. And I really liked how Sebastian just described it a few episodes ago. He said something like, this is like going to a dinner party, and basically you would have a conversation with the guest at the party. So this is pretty much what you said, Sebastian.
Yeah. So like basically it's just, you can join unlimited dinner parties, and if you have a topic you want to talk about or listen in on, then there's typically rooms like, for instance, in my case, it would be like maybe Instagram growth or YouTube growth. In your case, it would be how to scale your business or how to market it. And you can just jump into a room and then communicate with a bunch of people around the world from literally anywhere. Some people may be experts like Gary Vee or like famous YouTubers, but the majority of the time it is just typical people like me and you who are just giving ideas to everyone and trying to help each other grow.
There's also a downside about the app, because right now it's only usable on an iPhone. You are not able to use it on Android, and I think that's going to be expanded to Android in the nearer future or something. But right now it's only on invitation, only on iPhone. But yes, it's totally free.